The new CAST Application Analytics Dashboard provides IT executives with immediate insight into their most critical applications. It summarizes the deep metrics provided by CAST AIP in a way that is easy to quickly see the state of the entire portfolio of applications. It provides insights into what's happened over time and helps to drive decision-making for the future. As an example, I will walk through a scenario I'd experienced as a VP of Application Development, but what it may have looked like if I had had the metrics provided by CAST. My team was struggling to keep up with the demand of new features from the business, so I decided to switch from a traditional waterfall method to more agile methodologies. So far, the reaction from the business has been good in the first 3 months, as they are rapidly getting new features, but at what cost? So I can filter here down into my agile applications to take a look at what the impact of the first 3 months of going agile has been. So far I can see a high number of critical violations being present within my applications, and these have a very strong correlation to system defects, so that's of concern. I can also see that my technical debt has gone up over $20 million in just 3 months. I can also see by my application heat map that the quality of these applications are suffering as well. So the correlation between critical violations, technical debt, and quality are absolutely clear here. And if I want to take a look at the trend over the past 3 months, I could see that the technical debt across my applications that I'm developing in Agile has definitely increased. And then also, the critical violations have increased significantly within those 3 months. So what action can I take in order to keep these critical violations under control, which are presenting a high amount of risk to my high value applications, and also are contributing to escalating technical debt? So what I did in the next 6 months was institute an automated quality check within the dev cycle so that the developers could catch and remediate critical violations while they're still doing the development work. So if we take a look at the next 6 months, we could see the impact of setting up that automated quality check. I have far less critical violations within my Agile applications. The technical debt has still gone up, but in a 6-month period, it's a tenth of what was produced in a 3-month period, so I can see I'm starting to stabilize there. And with regard to the application's overall health, I can see that they're starting to be improved, but there's still some work that needs to be done there. If I want to look at the trend, I can see that the technical debt is definitely stabilizing, slightly reducing, but not completely gone. And then as far as the critical violations are concerned, I can also see that those are being stabilized as well. So now that I've stabilized my application, what further measures can I take in order to secure my application for the future? Well, I can do an automated design review using a CAST architecture checker, which enables the application to be easily changed and maintainable for the future. So now that I've done that, we can look at the last 3 months since I've put that architecture rule in place. I could see I have virtually no more critical violations, my technical debt has started to reduce, and the quality of my applications is actually starting to move into the green. And if we look at the trends over this past year, especially in the past 3 months, I could see my technical debt being driven down to almost none within my Agile applications, as well as those critical violations being driven to 0 as well. So not only is this a matter of catching and fixing critical violations, but the fact that the developers are not even introducing them and they've put it into their practice and improved the overall quality of the application. So I'm very pleased that I can both respond to the business, have a high quality, low risk application, and then feel guaranteed that I can continue to respond and provide new functionality to my customers going forward.